Hi friends, welcome to the Miss Angels channel. I'm Vivi.
I'm Mimi.
And today we're going to be opening Miximals, which they're like animals that are mixed with animals, like this bunnycorn. It's half bunny and half unicorn. The tub looks like this, which is like kind of a janta.
Yeah. I'm
Unicorn.
excited.
And this is the one I hope I get, bunnycorn. We got to wait to open them and find out which ones we get. Which one do you hope you get?
This one and this one.
She gets both of them. Let's get started. Blind bag, blind bag. You don't need it, you just pull.
I'm not good at pulling. I'm get tired.
I think you get two in this. Look how big that is for one mixing room. I thought it would have been tiny. Like, tiny.
There's two in it.
How do you know?
Because I feel two.
I got a fox tiger. Oh! That's why it's so big. This is my fox tiger and it's its food.
I got it.
Oh, yours is a poodle. I definitely know that.
I got poodle.
Mobile Miximals. This is mine and it is tiger turtle. So it's half tiger and half turtle. I said fox, but it's actually turtle. Why do I always get things wrong?
Mine's over here.
No, it's
I need to cut myself.
you're not supposed to cut it open, just to let you know, Nina. I'm struggling.
Use the thing for nicely.
No, you're supposed to pull it open. I probably get one of the ones I don't even want.
I got a unicorn.
You're so lucky. That's a dragon corn. You're like one of the lucky. It's the one I wanted! Yes! I got it. I finally got it. It's bunnycorn. I'm just looking for its accessory. Where's the bunnycorn's accessory? There's it. Oh, I see it.
How am I going to get you out? Where is it? Thank you.
There we go. Here's bunnycorn's carrot. Rainbow carrots. And I am so lucky. I want bunnycorn and I got bunnycorn. Love her. Here's the two things I got. Here's tiger turtles.
I got an egg.
And here
I
is
fly an
bunnycorn's food. Those are my two Miximals, guys. I want to see if bunnycorns are rare.
I'm going to open it.
Where's bunnycorn? Bunnycorn's ultra rare. Bunnycorn's ultra rare, guys. Bunnycorn is ultra rare. Because if it has a green dot next to it, it's ultra rare.
Have you?
I have an ultra rare. It's tiger turtle. It's a common. I'm gonna add this to my thing collection. What's it? That's delish. Abracadabra, zabati zabati zoo. love carrots. Let's play. Let's play hide and seek. 1, 2, 3,
1, 2, 3,
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Where are you?
Not here I come.
Where are you? You're not behind that. You're not
Unless
behind
you
the
buy
igloo.
something
You're not
said.
behind the egg. You're not under the table.
Found you! Oh, why was that so easy? I smelled your scent before you went, so I kept it.
Found you.
Oh,
1,
that's no fair.
3,
My turn to count.
5,
1, 2,
7,
3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's smell this.
Why did you
Found you. Oh, you smell as well. Yes, don't smell well. Go on, count.
Found you.
1, 2, 3, 4,
Found
5,
the egg.
6,
I'm going to
7, 8,
I'm hungry.
9, 10.
Let's go have some fun.
Let's go find it.
I'll give you some ice skating.
Have you seen bunny corn?
Yes.
You can't tell me though, then hide and seek. That's not Found you, bunny corn. Well, you're good at this. I'm hungry. Let me magic to us food. Abracadabra, zabbity-dam.
I can
Make
make
this
food.
food just for us.
I can magic you food because I got blue carrots. I can put eggs.
Nice.
I love eggs. You did eat it all yourself, no? I'm going to go and make it. Bye.
Bye everyone! We've come to the end of the video, guys. Please like, subscribe, and give it a big thumbs up. See you in the next video. Bye, angels. Now, I must be off. It's bedtime for me, said Mrs. Bunnycorn.
Me too. I'm going to put you on my